Dear listeners, welcome back. Today we are diving into Chapter 2 of The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy. This chapter is titled How Your Mind Works. I encourage you to listen till the very end, because this chapter will give you the master key to unlock your hidden potential, to understand why your thoughts create your reality, and how you can direct your mind towards success, happiness, and peace. 2 parts of the mind. Dr. Murphy explains that your mind has 2 parts. The conscious mind. This is your thinking mind, the part that makes decisions, chooses, and reasons. It is like the captain of a ship. It gives orders. 2. The subconscious mind. This is your obedient servant. It never argues, never questions. It simply takes the orders you give it through your conscious thoughts, and then it works day and night to turn those orders into reality. Think about it. If your conscious mind keeps saying, "I can't do this," your subconscious accepts that and blocks opportunities. But if you say, "I can do this," "I am capable," "I deserve success," your subconscious begins to arrange circumstances, energy, and even people to make it happen. The subconscious does not argue. This is one of the most powerful truths. Your subconscious mind does not argue with you. If you tell yourself, "I am weak," "I am a failure," "nothing good happens to me," it accepts that as a command and makes it true in your life. But if you affirm, "I am strong," "I am successful," "I am blessed," then your subconscious sets this as your inner reality and begins to attract conditions that reflect it. So remember, the words you speak and the thoughts you repeat are instructions to your subconscious. The law of belief. Joseph Murphy calls this the law of belief. Whatever you believe, deeply, emotionally, and consistently, becomes your reality. It is not luck, not chance, not fate. It is your own belief that shapes your destiny. If you believe in scarcity, you will live in lack. If you believe in abundance, you will see opportunities everywhere. If you believe in health, your body will begin to respond to that belief. Examples of the mind in action. Murphy gives us real-life examples. Many patients who were given placebo pills, just sugar tablets, and recovered because they believed it was medicine. Their subconscious accepted that belief and triggered healing. Workers who believed they were exposed to poison actually fell ill, even when the substance was harmless. Their subconscious created sickness based on belief. This shows us that belief is stronger than facts. What you truly believe in your subconscious mind, you experience in your outer world. You are the captain. Your conscious mind is the captain. Imagine giving wrong directions to the ship's crew. "Take us to the rocks." The crew, your subconscious, obeys blindly and leads the ship to disaster. But if you give right directions, sail to the safe harbor, to success, to health, to happiness, your subconscious carries out those orders with precision. So the question is, what orders are you giving daily through your thoughts? How to use this power? Watch your thoughts. Stop feeding your mind with negativity. Replace "I can't" with "I can." Replace "I'm unlucky" with "I'm blessed." Use positive affirmations. Repeatedly tell your subconscious what you want, not what you fear. 3. Visualize success. See yourself already living the life you want. Your subconscious responds strongly to images and emotions. Believe with emotion. Don't just say words, feel them deeply. That feeling imprints the idea into your subconscious. A motivating truth. This chapter teaches us something life-changing. You are not a victim of circumstances. You are the creator of your circumstances. Your subconscious mind is like fertile soil. Whatever seed you plant, whether weeds of doubt or flowers of faith, it will grow. So plant good seeds every day. Plant love, faith, courage, abundance, and gratitude. And remember, you become what you believe, not what you wish. Friends, let me remind you, your subconscious mind is your best friend. It is always listening. It is always working. So speak to it with kindness, with courage, and with faith. If you are struggling today, Remember, you have within you a silent partner, more powerful than anything in the outside world. Learn to direct it, and your life will never be the same. So stay consistent, be patient, and use this wisdom daily. If this message inspired you, then subscribe to this channel for more chapters of The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. Your journey has just begun, and the best is yet to come.